Oh my gosh.
The view on the floor.
Oh. Oh. You're gonna slip right there. There, you're definitely gonna slip.
And I try to wear tires. Like,
Hey.
but they're gonna slip and fall.
This is how thick it is. Yo!
But sure.
Check on the English. I'm gonna slip and fall there. On the...
Wow. The garage is already full.
Let's build a snowman.
Yeah, let's build a snowman.
Or is it an Iceman maybe?
Yeah, nice man.
It's not fluffy.
Hey, now my car worried. I don't even want to go down and check because I'll fall all my way.
Oh my.
Hey, I saw you got your car just in the nick of time, huh? I saw. My one is already inside. Yo.
Oh my. Oh, Baba. That feels so good. Wow. Oh my. Number 5. Baba. Baba.
How's it been here? Are you home safe?
Baba.
Oh. Did your guys also get hit by the storm? Dude, make sure. Dude, yeah, it's already parked here. Literally, there's at least 10 centimeters of ice everywhere.
That is more than 5 when it's
Dude, I'll send you a video right now. It's bad.
Oh.
People's windows got damaged.
Guys, the cars are damaged. I'm
Cars are
saying
damaged. I'll send you a video now. I'm literally standing on 10 meters ice on my balcony right now.
What's on your...
10 centimeters, sorry, not meters. That's like 10 doors. Hey dude, it's crazy. That's how I was checking. Did you make it home safe? Are you guys well?
No, Baba.
look at what it did to people's cars.
Dude. No man, this is bad. I'll send you a video now on WhatsApp. You'll check it.
That one.
Sure.
Is it right? Lap you send there.
Yo, the grass
minutes?
broke. We can go check also gonna swim.
Oh, the car. Okay, I'll have a look and I'll check for you.
Okay. Mama, let's do a snowball fight, but not hard.
Okay, cool.
You are that what?
I'll put it on WhatsApp for you. Alrighty, man. There's that.
Yeah? Ah! Huh? It's coming on my... Oh. It literally, a bit fell on my head from the roof. I'm gonna have an ice head. I'm gonna have an iced head. Baba, do you want white hair? Baba wants white hair. Damn. I have white hair. You know, cover my body. Oh. Oh. Oh my.